Good evening once again. आज भारतरत्न JRD टाटा यांची बर्थ ॲनिव्हर्सरी आहे आणि या बर्थ ॲनिव्हर्सरीच्या शुभमुहूर्तावर आपण हा एंटरप्रेन्योर्स डे प्रत्येक वर्षी साजरा करत असतो आणि तुम्हाला निश्चित सगळ्यांना आनंद वाटत असणार आहे की आजचा हा जो दिवस आहे हा 25वा एंटरप्रेन्योर्स डे सेलिब्रेशन आहे. I wish you please stand up all together and let us give a wonderful standing ovation to the Entrepreneurs International Trustees. Great, thank you. Now I wish you please keep on standing. Thank you very much. Because we keep a wonderful decorum of this particular program and it starts with pledge. I'll request now Mr. Anant Bhedasgaonkar to kindly come up stage and give away the pledge of Entrepreneurs International. I think we should welcome him also with a great round of applause. Great, thank you.
Good evening, friends. Please repeat after me. I am an entrepreneur.
I am an entrepreneur.
All entrepreneurs are my brothers and sisters.
All entrepreneurs are my brothers and sisters.
I love my profession
I love my profession
and I am proud of its social services.
and I am proud of its social services.
I shall always try to be worthy of it.
I shall always try to be worthy of it.
I shall give my entrepreneur brothers and sisters
I shall give my entrepreneur brothers and sisters
respect
respect
and treat everyone with courtesy.
and treat everyone with courtesy.
To my profession,
To my profession,
organization
organization,
and my customers,
and my customers,
I pledge my devotion.
I pledge my devotion.
In their well-being and prosperity
In their well-being and prosperity
alone lies my happiness.
alone lies my happiness.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, dear ones. Now you can peacefully sit down. प्रोग्रामसाठी आपल्याला जे लाभलेले चीफ गेस्ट आहेत त्यांच्या संदर्भात मी थोडंसं आपल्याला सांगेन. त्यांच्याबद्दल जाणून घ्यायला आपल्याला खूप आवडेल आणि ते जाणून घेण्याचं काम आपण नंतर शांततेने करणार आहोत. पण डॉक्टर कैलाश काटकर, he is the MD and CEO of Quick Heal Technologies. I think we should give a round of great applause for him and we thank him for accepting to be the chief guest of today's program. He comes from Rahmatpur, Satara. Then his brainchild, Quick Heal Foundation, functions in the areas of community welfare, education and cyber security. Quick Heal Foundation has so far provided training to more than 10 lakh students and it's a great thing, I suppose. He is our past award winner. 2002 मध्ये आपण कैलास साहेबांना एक्सेलन्स इन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप हा अवॉर्ड दिला होता. फॉर दॅट ऑल्सो ही डिझर्व्स अ वंडरफुल हँड आणि त्यानंतरचा त्यांचा प्रवास आपण त्यांच्याकडून ऐकणारच आहोत. आय विल कॉल अपॉन स्टेज कैलासजी, प्लीज. I'll request Chairman sir to kindly escort him upstairs. And of course, I mean, with a background of great applause, we should be calling him up. Thank you, sir. That's great. आपल्या डेकोरमप्रमाणे हा जो प्रोग्राम सुरू होतो याच्यासाठी खूप मोठं इन्स्पिरेशन आहे भारतरत्न JRD टाटा यांचं. आय विल रिक्वेस्ट ऑनरेबल चीफ गेस्ट, ऑनरेबल चेअरमन अँड द सेक्रेटरी ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योर्स इंटरनॅशनल ट्रस्ट टू काइंडली come up to the photograph of JRD Tata sir and garland him and honor him. First class. While the garlanding ceremony is taking place, I think we should correct. That is great. First class. Thank you very much. Thank you, sirs. Thanks once again. I'll now call the Honorable Chairman of Entrepreneurs International to formally welcome you all and express his today's sentiments on the 25th Entrepreneurs Day today. Chairman sir, Mr. चंद्रशेखर भावे.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Warm welcome from our team of Entrepreneurs International on this 25th Entrepreneurs Day. I welcome Dr. Kailash Katkar, our chief guest of Quick Hill Technologies, who have been our past awardee and also our member. So that is why this is a very special occasion for us on Silver Jubilee. I welcome the awardees this year and also the past awardees who have kindly agreed to attend this Silver Jubilee function. I welcome you also. While entering the Silver Jubilee year, we look back at the great legacy of the founder members. Around 90s, when license Raj was removed, a new era started. Our visionary founders recognized that true progress in the society can be achieved only if society embraces entrepreneurship. The Entrepreneurs International Trust was formed under leadership of Mr. Bar Patil along with stalwarts like Dr. Sabde, Major General Deshpande, Shri Rashinkar, Shri Rajkumar Fatate, Shri Borauke, Shri Mahajan and several others. The first E-Day was graced by then Governor of Maharashtra, Dr. P.C. Alexander. In the initial period, it must have been very difficult to talk about entrepreneurship in a society which valued stable jobs more than having or starting your own business. In those days, if somebody, some youngster started his own business, he would be asked, चांगली नोकरी मिळाली नाही का तुम्हाला? And that was the period at that time. Even today, the situation has not changed so much, but entrepreneurship and startups have become buzzwords. Professional colleges have subjects related to entrepreneurship and entrepreneur sales, and this is a very positive sign. Mission of Entrepreneurs International has been to encourage and enable entrepreneurs from all walks of life and spread the spirit of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs International, EI to short, runs clubs for entrepreneurs to give them a sense of being important constituents of the society, one who generates employment and wealth. These clubs give them a, we aim at making the entrepreneurs capable of handling all difficult issues with positive mindset. We nurture the bonds of friendship among the members so that they share the experience and knowledge. We arrange study tours and visits to established members and other successful businesses. Every member gets a bunch of friends as his consultants. We also celebrate family day and picnics so that family bonds are created. Spouses learn that their partner is not the only madman. There are several others like him who are mad about their passion. Life of new entrepreneur is full of seemingly unsurmountable problems. Under such conditions, it is very difficult to maintain a positive frame of mind. In the Entrepreneurs Club, one finds that there are so many others who are going through similar situations with positive attitude. One learns to deal with the challenges with an inner strength. An entrepreneur needs training and management skill development like any other large-scale company also. So in the club, we avail such services from experts and enhance capabilities of our entrepreneurs in marketing concepts, strategies, branding, patenting, balance sheets, cash flows, human resource management, and many other subjects. We learn by emulating entrepreneurs who have demonstrated excellence in their own field. Each of our awardees are glowing examples of determination and out-of-box thinking. Most inspiring example is our chief guest, Dr. Katkar, who has, whose company has become MNC in its own right, and they are giving tough time to international brands. As mentioned in our oath, we learn to be proud of our profession and contribution to the society. Many of our members have grown from garage to full-fledged factories, from part vendors to product companies, from sub-vendors to exporters in their own rights. Members acknowledge the influence of EI in their progress and their self-development. Today, we talk about being world's largest technical workforce. We are producing almost 15-20 lakh graduates from professional institutes. However, industry complains about non-employability of almost 75% of these youngsters. Our initiative is to build tie-ups between institutes and the industry through the medium of entrepreneurs clubs. To bridge this gap, students and faculties can get exposure to the industry and real entrepreneurship, and our members can get glimpse of new technologies, management concepts, and many other things. They contribute by sharing their own stories with students, and such relationships can also result in the internships and eventually entrepreneurships among the students. They also learn that being an entrepreneur is a matter of attitude, taking greater responsibilities, taking risks, and demonstrating ownership of business. That's what entrepreneurship is all about. I welcome the students and faculty members in this gathering to join us in this journey. Awards have been an integral part of Entrepreneurs Day celebrations. Idea has been to recognize and encourage the people from our surroundings who have chosen a different and challenging path. People who have achieved success through sheer grit, honesty, and positive thinking. Till date, we have conferred awards on 78 people from 10 different industries and professions. We have acknowledged exemplary contribution towards entrepreneurship development of 18 individuals and organizations. I am happy to announce that several of these entrepreneur awardees from past are with us today on this Silver Jubilee function. In near future, we wish to connect with number of professional institutes and form more clubs in the state of Maharashtra first. People from other states wish to emulate our concepts. We are also in touch with entrepreneurs in Dubai with roots in Maharashtra for taking this activity there. Overall, our efforts at EI are to help the entrepreneurs with shared knowledge, provide comfort of relationship with other entrepreneurs, pride in their contribution to society, and finally, we ensure that they enjoy being entrepreneurs. If someone asks, चांगली नोकरी मिळाली नाही का? Our member will proudly answer, मी नोकरी मागत नाही, मी नोकऱ्या देतो. A society which encourages and honors the spirit of entrepreneurship is our dream. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Udyojak.
थँक्यू बाबासाहेब. बाबासाहेब आपल्याला मी आता उभं राहण्याची विनंती करेल. This is the right time now, while we understood what is Entrepreneurs International, while Chief Guest also understands the growth and the progress of Entrepreneurs International in these 25 years, I'll now request Bhave Sahab to honor our today's Chief Guest with floral bouquet. And of course, I mean, we got to give a background to it. Thank you. Thank you, sirs. फर्स्ट क्लास. एक सुंदर गोष्ट आता आपल्या सगळ्यांना बघायला मिळणार आहे. प्रत्येक या 4 क्लब्सचा एंटरप्रेन्योर्स इंटरनॅशनलच्या अंडर 4 क्लब्स काम करतात. पहिला क्लब जो आहे तो पुणे फर्स्ट, दुसरा जो आहे तो चिंचवड, पिंपरी चिंचवड, तिसरा बारामती आणि चौथा निगडी. असा हे 4 क्लब्स एंटरप्रेन्योर्स इंटरनॅशनलच्या अंडर वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणी अतिशय सुंदर काम करत आहेत. आणि या क्लबच्या प्रेसिडेंटशिपची एक मोठी गंमत आहे की एक प्रेसिडेंट हा केवळ 1 वर्षासाठीच असू शकतो. and he gets an opportunity to rock during that particular year and lead the entire team in great direction. And the next person gets an opportunity next year. तो ये relay race आपको आज देखने को मिलेगी. Now these people will hand over their baton to the next generation entrepreneurs, and for that I'll call up stage the president of Entrepreneurs Club Baramati first, Mr. Shafiq Sayyed. Kindly come up stage. I think once again we got to give him a great round of applause. At the same time, I'll request the vice president of the same club who is going to take over the charge today, Mr. Shankar Kasreji. Yeah. Great. Shafiq ji, I'll request you to kindly hand over the charge to him and tell him what best he has to do in the year 2018-19. Great, thank you. Same way, Entrepreneurs Club Pune first. I'll call up stage Mr. Suhas Godse. Besides him, I'll call up stage Subhash Mankar to kindly take up the charge. Mr. Subhash Mainkar. Yeah, he came from behind. That's great. Great. Once again, a great round of applause. Entrepreneurs Club Pimpri Chinchwad. Mr. Pankaj Nikam. I'll request him to kindly come up stage. And Mr. Surendra Kulkarni to kindly come up and take over the charge as the president for 2018 and 19. Mr. Surendra Kulkarni. एक साल के लिए क्यों ना हो, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों, ऐसा उनका मामला है. Thank you. The youngest club of this Entrepreneurs International is Nigdi Club, which has completed some 5 years only. Out of 25 years of your journey, for 5 years this club is with you. And I'll call upon stage Mr. Anil Athanikar, the great rock star of Nigdi Club, and Mr. Sagar Dani to come up stage and take over the responsibility of handling Entrepreneurs Club Nigdi. Best wishes to all of you. Great. Thank you. लगते ना इन लोगों के चैंपियन के जैसे चेहरे? लगते या नहीं लगते? Yeah, these people will be rocking the industries tomorrow. Now, हर साल हम लोग एक सोवेनियर पब्लिश करते रहते हैं. इस साल भी ये सोवेनियर का पब्लिशिंग होगा. I'll request Honorable Chairman and the Secretary, sir, with the auspicious hands of Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Kailash Katkarji, to unveil, to publish the souvenir 2018-19. And once again, we got to do our job, right? Great, thank you. ज्यावेळी आपण सगळे बाहेर जाणार आहोत त्यावेळी याची एक कॉपी घ्यायला आपण विसरू नका. ग्रेट, फर्स्ट क्लास. आणि आता अतिशय महत्त्वाचा असा प्रोग्राम समोर आलेला आहे. प्रत्येक वर्षी वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रातल्या entrepreneurships, I mean those industries, these people they run, these people they work on something called creating the entrepreneurs and enhancing the entrepreneurship. अशा एनहान्स झालेल्या entrepreneurships जे CEOs आहेत, ओनर्स आहेत, त्यांना आपण फेलिसिटेट करत असतो आणि त्यांना आपण अवॉर्ड देत असतो. एक्सेलन्स इन entrepreneurship in various categories. Now the first category starts. I'll call upon stage Mr. Sagar Kasar to express his words about a great entrepreneur, Mr. Vijay Shankar Kartha, who has won this Excellence in Entrepreneurship Award for 18-19. Mr. Sagar, please.
Thank you. Good evening, friends. Mr. K. Vijay Kartha is the Chairman and Managing Director of ME Energy Private Limited. He holds a diploma in Business Management from XLRI Jamshedpur with specialization in Marketing and Project Management and a diploma in Mechanical Engineering. Mr. Kartha has worked with top companies such as Thermax, Tata Robbins Fraser, WJ Rand Limited UK, and Kerala State Detergents. Further to his 12 years experience, he incorporated ME Energy Private Limited in 1998. ME Energy is a medium-sized engineering company engaged in design, manufacturing, and supply of fired steam liquid phase heating systems and heating equipments. Energy-saving projects with major thrust on project management, marketing, sales, and R&D. ME Energy, with its 20 years of experience and presence, has created its own space as a turnkey solution provider in the field of thermal engineering. ME Energy is an ISO 9001:2015 certified company. Today, ME Energy has created its vast presence in domestic and international markets. Some of the top-line customers include PepsiCo, Tata Motors, Honda Motors, Indian Oil Corporation, Britannia Industries, TVS Motors, Steel Authority of India, JSW Steel, etc. Under the able leadership of Mr. Kartha, ME Energy has won many awards and recognitions for the concepts they have implemented. Latest among these are by Confederation of Indian Industries, that is CII, for innovations in energy efficiency in 2017 and Best Energy Efficient Case Study in 2018. On this 25th Entrepreneurs Day, Entrepreneurs International is pleased to award Mr. K. Vijay Kartha for excellence in entrepreneurship. Thank you.
So let's welcome him with a great round of applause. Sir, please. Mr. K. Vijay Shankar Kartha. It is such a memorable ceremony. Great, great. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sirs. Now this second award for the entrepreneurship in service industry, this time goes to Dr. Vasant Narke, and I'll call upon stage Mr. Anant Bhedesgaonkar to let the rest of the world knows about Mr. Vasant Narke, sir. Mr. Anant, please.
Dr. Vasant Narke is the CEO and Director of Talks India, a constructual research organization based in Pune. Born in farmer family at Talegaon, Dhamdere, Dr. Vasant Narke completed his schooling at his native place, followed by his graduation, MSc and PhD. Dr. Narke always dreamed about starting his own research laboratory and started his dream venture Talks India in year 2004. Talks India provides services such as preclinical toxicity, testing on lab animal, and health monitoring studies on human volunteers. Clinical toxicity studies on lab animal, ecotoxicity project, formula development, and providing a research platform to the academic institutes are some of the projects rendered by Talks India. Toxicology is an age-old science which includes mainly study of poison. And today, with a time, it is studied for efficacy of the test articles on biological system with a special emphasis on the harmful effect. After generating the data on biological system, it is extrapolated for the safety on the human being. Today, Talks India is the name to reckon with in the field of toxicology and contractual research. With a state-of-art 20,000 square feet facility and following international standards and practices, the lab acquired the most preferred status among its client. The rich experience, diversified client has put Talks India in a prime slot of contractual research activity. Talks India is scaling new heights as a pharmaceutical, chemical, agriculture and environmental pollutant testing facility for clients in India as well as in abroad. Dr. Narke has an excellent network and communication skill that earned him institutionally collaborators. In the past 14 years, he has done great contribution to preclinical research, R&D, and for all insecticide, pesticide, pharma, and Ayurvedic industries. His special recognition includes Senior Scientist Award in year 2007, Fellow of International Society of Science Technology 2014, Government Nominee on CPC SEA Committee, and Life Amber Environment of Mutagen Society of India. With a strong family support from wife and kids, he turned every hurdle into the building block of success. With so many accomplishments to his credit, he doesn't think he is arrived yet. For him, this is the just beginning of a new chapter. He says, and I quote, "I am not a product of circumstances, but a product of my dreams." Ladies and gentlemen, the award of excellence in entrepreneurship in service sector goes to Dr. Vasanta Narke. Thank you.
Shri Vasant Narke sir, please. He is receiving this award, Excellence in Entrepreneurship in Service Industry. Great. Thank you. First class, a great round of applause. Wow. Thank you, Dr. Vasanji. Thank you, dignitaries. Now, we'll call up stage Mr. Subhash Mainkar to tell you something about the third award winner, Mr. Yatin Tambe, who is securing the excellence in entrepreneurship in research and development. A big round of applause. Mainkar, please.
I'm really honored to be here to read out citation for Mr. Yatin Tambe, Excellence in Entrepreneurship in Research and Development. Yatin Tambe is a first generation entrepreneur. He started a company named Friction Welding Technologies Private Limited. Yatin is an electronic engineer, and since his childhood, he showed his entrepreneurial traits by working with his own hands. After passing engineering, he started his career with Electronica in R&D. Later on, he worked with Philips, Samudra Magnetics, and Cinnamoro. During working with these companies, he acquired a lot of experiences learning. In Cinnamoro, he had a job of refurbishing a scrap friction welding machine, which opened doors to this new engineering concept, which started his own company. In 2002, he started the company named Friction Welding Technologies Private Limited. He manufactures, exports these machines, and also helps industry in doing job work for more than 150 companies. Friction welding is a technology joining two dissimilar metals by friction and pressure without adding an external material to it. Yatin has an eye of innovation. His skills in developing of control unit is such that even an unskilled machine operator can set the parameters which are required to operate the machine. His innovation and uniqueness lies in the pre-detection of errors and remote machine maintenance. His research in welding exotic metal combinations is worth appreciating. He has published many papers in global forums and is recognized as one of the top technologists in the world of friction welding. I welcome on this 25th Entrepreneur Day, Entrepreneur International is pleased to award Mr. Yatin Tambe for excellence in entrepreneurship, research and innovation.
A big hand for Mr. Yatin Tambe. Research and innovation.